Hi everyone! So, ang lesson natin ngayon ay tungkol sa joint variation. Quarter 2, Module 4. For the objectives, illustrate and translate joint variation into mathematical equation. Solve problems involving joint variation. So, i-define natin kung ano ang joint variation. Joint variation is the statement A varies jointly as B and C means A equals KBC or K equals A over BC, where K is the constant of variation. So, ito yung pangatlong uri ng variation. Ano? So, ngayon, tingnan naman natin yung statement na A varies jointly as B and C. So, again, una na nabanggit ang variable na A. So, dito natin siya isusulat, then the equal sign. For jointly, yung word natin na jointly, so magkakasama lang yung constant and yung two variables na nabanggit. So, magkakaroon tayo ng K, B, C. Magkakasama lang yung tatlo. So, kung hahanapin naman ang constant, pwedeng gamitin ang K equals A over B, C. Kung saan ang K natin, ayan pa rin yung tinatawag na constant of variation. So ngayon, let us translate the following mathematical statements into equation. Number 1, the area A of the wall to be painted varies jointly to the numbers of workers, W, and the pail of paints needed to do the task. So, eto ngayon yung statement na kailangan nating i-translate into mathematical equation. So, unahin natin yung mga key. Tingnan natin yung mga key words or key letters. So, dito we have area. Area, gagamitan natin ng A. We have here, varies jointly to the number of workers. Kung saan naman ang gagamitin natin ay W. And for the pail, gagamitin natin ay P. So, varies jointly. Ibig sabihin, magkakasama lang yan. Ang gagawin natin ay A equals K W P. Or A equals K times W times P. Ito ngayon ang mathematical statement. Palagi pong nandyan ang K. Yan yung constant. So, nauna, dito makikita nyo, nauna yung A. So, isinulat natin dito. We have the constant, then magkasama yung W at yung P. Kasi ang word na ginamit, ang variation ay varies jointly. Number 2, the area A of a lot in subdivision varies jointly as length L and the square of the width W. Paano natin siya isusulat? So, nandito ulit yung area A. So, ang word ay varies jointly. Then, we have length for L and width W. So, gagawin natin A equals K L W squared. Bakit pala naka-squared yung W? Kasi sa statement, ang nakasulat ay the square of width. Ibig sabihin ni squared ang width. So, ulitin ko, ang equation natin ay A equals KLW squared, or A equals K times length or times L times the squared of width, or W squared. Solve the following. Number 1, D varies jointly as H and G. If D is equal to 15, when H is equal to 15 and G is equal to 4. Find G when H is equal to 20 and D is equal to 10. Kunin muna natin ang given. Ang given ay D equals 15. So, galingan dito, H equals 15 and G equals 4. For the second given, meron pa tayong D equals 10, H equals 20. Tapos, this time, kailangan natin makuha ang value ng G. So, for the solution, kailangan kunin natin ang value ng K. Pero bago natin makuha ang value ng constant, etong statement na ito, kailangan natin isulat into mathematical equation. D varies jointly as H and G. So, paano natin yan isusulat into mathematical equation? Okay, so ganito yon. Nauna ang D, kaya nasa unahan din. Ito. Next, laging nandyan ang K. So, wag kalimutang isulat ang K, ha? Then, ang word na ginamit ay jointly, kaya magkasama lang ang H at G. So, ang equation natin ay D equals KHG or D equals K times H times G. So, para makuha ang value ng K, i-substitute itong unang given, i-substitute natin sa equation. Ang D gagawing 15, ang K gagawing 15, ang G gagawing 4. Kakaroon tayo ng 15 equals K times 15 times 4. I-multiply natin ang 15 at 4. Ang sagot ay 60. So, ang equation natin ngayon ay 15 equals 60K. Para mawala ang 60 sa katabi ng K, or para ma-solve natin ang K, i-divide both sides by 60. Magkakaroon tayo ng 15 over 60 equals 60K over 60. So, 60K divided by 60, ang matitira ay K. Etong 15 at 60, divisible ng 15 pareho. Kaya pwede nating i-simplify. 15 divided by 15 equals 1. 60 divided by 15 equals 4. Kaya ang magiging sagot ay 1/4. Ang value ng K ay 1/4. So, this time, since nakuha na natin ang value ng K, this time, isosolve na natin ang value ng G. So, paano kukunin? Gamitin ulit ang mathematical equation na D equals KHG or D equals K times H times G. So, ngayon, ito ang gagamitin natin. Papalitan ang D ng 10, ang H ng 20. And of course, ang K ay 1/4. Magkakaroon tayo ng 10 equals 1/4 times 20 times G. So, this time, yung 20 i-multiply sa 1. We will have now 10 equals 20 over 4G. Ito, pwede nang i-simplify. 20 divided by 4, magiging 5G. So, 10 equals 5G. Para makuha ang value ng G, divide both sides by 10. So, 10 over 5 equals 5G over 5. So, ito, magiging G. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 5G divided by 5 equals G. Ang value ng G ay 2. When H is equal to 20 and D is equal to 10. Number 2, the area A of a triangle varies jointly as the base B and altitude H of the triangle. If A is equal to 65 square centimeters, when B is equal to 10 centimeters, and H is equal to 13 centimeters, find the area of a triangle whose base is 8 centimeters and whose altitude is 11 centimeters. Kukunin natin ang given. For the given, we have A equals 65 squared centimeters, B equals 10 centimeters, H is equal to 13 centimeters. Saan yan makikita? Okay, nandito yan sa part na ito. So, for the next given, hahanapin natin this time ang value ng A, kung saan ang B ay 8 centimeters at ang H ay 11 centimeters. Nandito naman yan sa part na ito ng problem. So, for the solution, hanapin, or ang step 1, i-translate natin ang statement na the area A of a triangle varies jointly as the base B and altitude H of a triangle. Ito-translate natin yan into mathematical equation. So, magkakaroon tayo ng A equals KBH, or A is equal to K times B times H. So, nasaan ang A? Nandito, yung area. So, since ang word na ginamit ay jointly, magkatabi lang this time ang K, B, at H. So, this time, kunin natin ang value ng K. For step 2, find the value of K or constant. So, gagamitin natin yung equation sa step 1 para makuha ang value ng K. So, ang gagawin ay papalitan natin yung equation ng given values. Ang A ay 65 squared centimeters, B magiging 10 centimeters, yung H naman gagawing 13 centimeters. So, i-multiply natin ito, magkakaroon tayo ng 65 squared centimeters equals 130 squared centimeters K. Para ma-solve ang value ng K, kailangan natin tanggalin ang 130 squared centimeters. Ano ang dapat gawin? Divide both sides by 130 squared centimeters. So, dito, magkakaroon na lang or may matitira na lang na K. Ito naman, yung 65 at 130, both divisible by 65. Ibig sabihin, pwede natin i-simplify. 65 divided by 65, 1. 130 divided by 65 equals 2. So, ang simplified form ng 65 over 130 is 1/2. 1/2 equals K, or ang constant natin ay 1/2. So, for the third step, yung equation sa step 1, papalitan natin yung value ng k. Instead na k ang nakalagay, gagawin natin na 1/2. Magkakaroon tayo ng a equals 1/2 times b times height. For step 4, solve for the value of a. So, dito naman sa step 4, ang gagamitin natin ay ang pangalawang given. So, yung formula ulit, a equals 1/2 times b times h. So, ang b gagawing 8 centimeters, ang h gagawing 11 centimeters. Magkakaroon tayo ng a equals 1/2 times 8 centimeters times 11 centimeters. So, i-multiply natin ito. Magkakaroon tayo ng a equals 1/2 times 88 squared centimeters. So, 1/2 times 88, ang sagot ay 44. Ibig sabihin, ang area ay 44 squared centimeters if or when the base is 8 centimeters and the altitude is 11 centimeters. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and listening. Have a blessed day. Bye everyone.